POB ski in the Infiniti Q50. So yeah, we thinking about a lot of other mods that we like to get done. It's under warranty. I gotta check for how long. I think it's like 2 years, 25,000 miles, but I don't know if it's that warranty. I don't know if it's a 30-day warranty. I gotta check my contract though, but if it's a 30-day warranty, then we might just go do some things that might would void out a warranty, if you feel me. But yeah, so we gotta check into that. She ain't no slouch now. That's for sure. She ain't no slouch. Bad bitch, get up and shake it. You feel it. But nah, this joint stock is so much faster than my Audi. My Audi was stage 2+. Like, I don't know. I done had all type of stuff done to the Audi for real. You know what I'm saying? The burble tune, turbo muffler delete, diverter valve, this, that, and the third, front mount intercooler, red top coils, NGK spark plugs. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna name I'm not even gonna name the cosmetic stuff. There's a bunch of cosmetic stuff too, for real. I might have to do a little video on my Audi just to show y'all what it was. I ain't gonna hold. It's nice little Audi. You know what I'm saying? I hated to get rid of it, but shit. I really had to hop into a Q50. It was no ifs, ands, or buts about it, so. Ooh, the Hellcat. Damn. I like that color too. He got the black with the bronze wheels. Damn, why I sound nasally? I'm getting sick? Nah. But this blue on this Q50 right here on my shit, I wasn't too crazy about it when I first seen the car, right? I never really had it's not the color that I wanted for real. Like, I kind of wanted like either white or like silver, cause like dirt don't really, I had a silver car before. I had a silver Jetta. Dirt don't really show up on silver cars like that. But this one was just in the right location for the right price and the right mileage and the right stipulations to go with it too, if you know what I mean. But so I ended up getting this one, right? And then like I sent the picture to my mom. She's like, oh, she's like, I love that color. I'm like, yeah, it's cool. It's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, after she said that, like, it just started growing on me. And then I got it. I didn't want to pick that up, right? Every time I look, I'm like, yo, this color is low-key hard as shit, especially when you do like I made the wheels black and got the carbon fiber parts. Once you start adding like them offset accents, I really wouldn't want no other color. I really wouldn't want no other color at this point. So I'm fucking with the blue. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know what type of blue it's called, but I'm fucking with it. I ain't gonna lie. Like, this shit hard. And then so with this blue, what I was about to say was, I seen the bronze wheels on the Hellcat. I wanna do the I'm doing sad. Let me chill out. I want to get bronze wheels for this, and my brother-in-law low-key kind of like put me on to it, like made me want to do it, let me say. Because like at first I told him, like, yeah, I showed him the wheels. I'm like, yeah, I want to just get some, you know what I'm saying? I just want to keep it simple, get some black wheels. He was like, I feel you, you know what I'm saying? You want to keep it simple, you don't want it to be too gaudy and nothing like that. He was like, yo, what you think about some like bronze wheels? I'm like, I started thinking about it. I started imagining. As soon as he said it, I could visualize it in my head. I'm like, yo, not for nothing. You might be on to something. Yo, bronze wheels on this blue. Oh my God, yo. I'm telling you, any bronze wheels. I'm telling you right now, that's what it is. It's gonna be bronze wheels. I was trying to go black or something. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't opposed to white, like not for nothing. I feel like white, I seen it before too, but white wheels on a color like this, I think gotta go too. You know what I'm saying? I feel like black is just a little bit too simple. So when he said the bronze, I'm like, oh yeah, you got that. Yeah, we definitely going bronze. Whether it's like a matte bronze, a regular bronze, it's some type of bronze, but it gotta be bronze. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, he got that. But yeah, so we looking at a few different type of wheels. I ain't gonna hold. The only black wheels, I'll tell you right now though, the only black wheels that I will put on this car is the CR 57 the Nismo wheels. The Nismo, it's like, I think they're like 8 spoke. Like I think they're like 8 spoke Nismo wheels. But they're like CR 53s or CR 57 CR or something like that. Some shit like that. Look it up. Just type in CR 50. You'll either see a 53 or a 57. It's one of those. I might just put it up in the video, but yeah, those are the wheels that I really want. Like I know about it. You know what I'm saying? I know about a lot of wheels. I really just like, I don't want to go just like, oh, any old nice wheels. I want to go like, I want that racer look. I want that race look. So that's why, like, I'm like, well, shit. I like the Avid AV6s, the Avid AV20s, and the Avid AV26s. And then I think they got like Avid 40s. Yo, those is hard, but the Avid 6s was the original. But I want 19s. I can't find them in a 19. I can only find them in an 18 by like 8.5, which is cool. The 8.5 part cool, whatever, 9.5. But I really wanted a 19 because I want to close the wheel gap up. I want to lower the car, but I don't want it to be too. I don't want it to be low to where it's not practical. So, I'm just like, fuck, man. Like if I can't get these wheels in a 19, I might have to just look at something else. So I've been looking at some other stuff too, but I really do want the Nismo wheels, but they like $558 a piece. That's a pretty penny, you know what I'm saying? But I might just have to do that. Like I'll have to save up for it, and I just throw on some, because the Avid AV6s, I could get those for $800 a whole set. You feel me? Like I can get that at $800 a whole set. Now, if that's the case, I might just have to go coilovers. Look at this dude right here. Should I get up with him? Nah, I'm not gonna get up with him. I should, but I ain't gonna do that. He gonna bust my ass anyway, but I should. But anywho, I digress. I might, like, it's only $800 compared to, you know what I'm saying? You talking about for a set of the Nismos, and they not just 500, they 500 and some change. So you figure, you talking about 2 bands. You talking about over 2 bands for a set. And that's not even the tires that gotta go with it. That's not even the fucking tires that gotta go with it. Like, come on. I don't know. I might have to figure, I gotta figure out a setup for the wheels. Figure out what fitment I wanna go with for real, cause I just wanna lower the car, but not too low. I wanna make it look, the way it look now with the splitter and the freaking diffuser, it's cool. I like it. I gotta add the side skirts too, but I just don't want to make it too low, because last thing I'm trying to do is scrape. The last thing I'm trying to do is rip the splitter off, or fucking scratch the diffuser all the fuck up. And yeah, that's the last thing I'm trying to do. So and just not be able to get into certain places, because that was the biggest thing. I couldn't with the Audi. The Audi was low, like it was low. You know what I'm saying? I had to avoid all speed bumps basically. Even hitting my driveway, I gotta hit my driveway at the onlyest angle. And it's be a lot of driveways out here like that too, like going into stores, a house, anywhere for real. Like the driveway be elevated And yeah, we in Florida, you know what I'm saying? So we live at sea level, but it's just like, yo, I can't, I love the car, but I can't, I could have raised it, you know what I'm saying? Because it was on coilovers, but it was the look. Like, I had the look dialed, and I didn't want to raise the car and fuck up the look. So I just left it the way it was. But I didn't hit like dead rodents with that car because it was so low. All type of stupid shit. So I ain't trying to do that again. I ain't trying to do that again for real. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, we cruising, raining a little bit. Got a little sport back there. A little sport back A5. I missed it. I ain't gonna hold it. I missed the sound of the Audi. Right now, this bitch so quiet until I put an exhaust on it. This motherfucker so quiet. Like, when you step on the gas, you can hear that V6 rumble, but it's just till you open it up through that exhaust, man. I'm trying to tell you, boy, I missed that shit. That was the only thing. This shit way faster though. I ain't gonna hold. This shit way faster. Like, I don't know about on the top end, cause once my shit, like, the Audi was fast. Don't get me wrong, that shit wasn't no slouch neither, but I had an A5. It wasn't like an S5, and then I had a B8 A5, so 2010. That shit wasn't no slouch neither, but this is just a whole different beast right here. I ain't gonna lie. This shit different. I couldn't even imagine a V8 because I wanted the what the 2000 like 13 to like 15 S5s is like V8 supercharged with the 4.2, or it's I know the RS5 is definitely supercharged with the not supercharged. I know the RS5 is definitely V8, but I think they got him in the S5 too. I can't remember right now, but I couldn't imagine the V8 though with the high rev. This shit revving at 7,500. Just like this shit read at 7,500 too. So, but that V8 though, man, I love the way them joints sound. But I would not, right? Having this V6, I'll tell you right now, I wouldn't at this point right now, I wouldn't want a V8 as a daily car because this shit drink through gas like it's nobody business. As a V6. Now my A5 was not terrible on gas, but it wasn't that good on gas either way I drove it because of the tune and stuff. Like, it should just make you want to go fast, especially when you hear it, like the noise, like the sound it made. I had a custom exhaust, but I basically pieced together myself. But like I be chilling in this for the most part. I don't even be wanting until I get that exhaust and I hear that noise. I be really chilling in this. Like, I be going fast sometimes. I might punch it every now and then. Come off a light hard, no diddy. But I be chilling in eco mode. I be chilling in eco mode 90% of the time. I feel like I gotta get up, or if I'm in traffic, I'm trying to get out the way. Honestly, standard do it. Standard do it. But in sport, it's either regular or the 7-speed manual side, so the slap shift. This motherfucker, I'm telling you now, boy, at stock, this shit fast. This is what, like, I'm not used to it, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming from a car that when it was stock, it came with like yeah, battery cut off on me in a little POV ski, but that was about it anyway though. I was about to be right to work, but yeah, so that's what it was. We working on some stuff right now. I'm gonna explain what's going on with this going on with the I can't talk right now. We're gonna explain what's going on with what I'm doing right now in the next video, so look out for that. But I'm gonna close it up with that being said. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Hope y'all enjoyed the little talk, little POV. I'm gonna be doing some of those every now and then. I might be doing somewhere I'm just driving, vibing to music, you know. So if y'all like the type of stuff, then you know what I'm saying, y'all just wanna chill or whatever, and tune into that. But we're also gonna be doing a lot more projects and stuff with this car. It's a lot to get done that I wanna do. So That's what we're gonna be doing next. But yeah, like, subscribe, hit the noti button so you know when I'm posting the new stuff. And yeah, that's what it is. So thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Peace. Hold out.